Earlier in my career at FTI, ladder use was just part of the job. If something needed to be built at heights, we figured out how to do it safely, but ladders were often the first choice. Things have changed a lot. I'd say, hey, we got some lifts, and nobody would use them. And then I got to a point where I'd have 30 scissors lifts on a job, and they'd be like, hey, we need more lifts. Over time, teams started asking a different question. Instead of asking how to work safely on ladders, they asked, could we design the work so that ladders weren't needed at all?
Ladders are common tools, but anytime work happens at height, there's increased exposure to falls and injuries. How many times is one team member going to go up a ladder in a routine day? In some instances, it was 50 to 100 times a day. Well, it's kind of where Accelerate came in, started building a lot of these strut packages and conduit racks, so then a team member only had to go up a ladder one time, just to set the gear.
Employees quickly adapted to the new way of thinking and often pointed out situations where a lift was a better choice than a ladder.
At FTI, we believe safety isn't just about rules or training, it's about a bigger question. Can we design the risk out of the work entirely? That mindset is what led to our Ladders Last approach.
The Overland project is really the first Accelerate build that set the standard for building as much as possible off-skid and at an ergonomic height. At the time, it pushed us to think differently about how work could be done. By shifting work to ground level, we significantly reduced the need for ladders and improved how teams interacted with the build, including how industrial engineering supports line design and safer, more repeatable processes. That early project proved that designing work differently from the start could eliminate the risk before it ever reached the field.
Today, Ladders Last is being applied on projects, and it's made a real difference for the teams doing the work. By building these structures at ground level, we've significantly reduced the amount of time the crews spend working off ladders. From a field perspective, that means safer conditions, better workflow, and more consistency in how the work gets done.
Ladders Last isn't just about ladders. It's about how we think differently about safety from the very beginning. It's one of the ways that FTI continues to lead, by thinking outside the box, learning from experience, and always putting our people first.